NBTC-752 Battery operated hydraulic aluminum wire layer cutting tool used to cut the aluminum wire layer. 有240平方毫米到1250平方毫米 steel core aluminum stranded wire, unique avoidance design. In the process of cutting, it can effectively protect the steel strand from damage. The unique centering design ensures that the cable is always in the middle of the blade. During cutting, it is very convenient to open the cutter head, change the blade, or install the wire. The non-contact button allows the LCD screen to turn the page. You can turn the page by pressing the button and display the status of the tooling turn. The high and low pressure two-speed hydraulic system can quickly pass the empty stroke when cutting the steel core aluminum strand of different specifications and maximize the cutting speed. Regional E. The aluminum wire layer of steel core aluminum strand is cut by hydraulic cutting. Regional R. Automatic wire centering device and cutting device integration. Oil return button can realize no power back oil. 1K pressure relief back oil. Dual LED lighting can meet the net off. Low light space normal operation. A multi-purpose machine can be replaced by blade. Cut different specifications of steel core aluminum strand. High performance 18V lithium battery. Large capacity can provide more times of operation.